What I am going to get you to do now is that, first of all, your club face is a little bit closed. We've noticed that as well when it comes to your wedges. Okay, so that is obviously when at impact, that is going to cause the ball to go to left, because you're going to have a draw or you're going to have a pull. So we need to certainly straighten that up a little bit. All right. Actually looking at your club as the way you got yourself set up as well, and by looking at what we've seen on here, on the actual lie tape, I actually feel as if we need to make your club maybe like half a degree, 1 degree upright, because then that's going to stop this toe from standing up, from sitting up. So I would suggest that we would look to bring that up, maybe only by about half a degree. So what I want you to do now is, staying in the position that you're in, I want you to bring the club here. Does that feel as if it's quite far away?
No.
All right, and then let go of the club. All right, now grip the club. You see how that club face is looking now? That's looking very, very straight. So bend your knees a little bit for me. And you know what, going back a little bit, I want you to just like come out just a fraction. Straighten that club for me. All right, give that one a hit. Let's see. Bit fat. Your club face is closed. Definitely at setup. Okay. Something that we really need to really feel as if it's open. And I want you to feel as if you're fractionally a little bit further away from the ball than you were before. You feel as if you're reaching?
Oh, no, I'm on the foul, on the swing.
All right. What I want you to do as well is I want you to feel as like through your in swing, just a little bit more weight on your heels. Okay. I want you to, not necessarily all the way back here on the heel, but sort of like both.
I get on my toes.
Yeah. So when you're coming back down, I want you to feel as if you're shifting your weight, but you're shifting your weight from your right heel towards your left heel, as opposed to your right heel towards the left, the balls of your left feet. That's a great strike. Did you feel a little bit more on the heels?
Yeah, I felt I tried staying back and not leaning forward.
Excellent, excellent.
So on my toes means what am I doing? I'm leaning forward?
Well, exactly. What's going to happen, if I may demonstrate to you, if you stand over the other side, is that you're going to, it all makes perfect logical sense now, doesn't it? Because if you put on your front, come down with your weight on your balls of your feet, then you're getting closer to the ball. Hence the reason why that the ball is hitting at the heel of the club. And then if we got and because you got a closed club face here at setup and coming through, then obviously it's gonna cause that draw, which is fine. But we really want to get the sweet spot. We want to hit the club in the middle of the middle, because you've got a great swing, but you're losing distance because you're not hitting the sweet spot.
Pretty good.
It is, yeah. So if we can get you, and these clubs are pretty old. Titleist 762, when they're about 10 years old. Yeah, exactly. So the sweet spot on here. But now, if you can imagine, if you can get the middle of this club, and then you were to look to get a more recent set of clubs, you're going to bomb it at least an extra 10 yards, without no problem at all. So as we were talking, come through, and then just feel as if everything, all the weight transfer is towards the heels, not on the heels, but towards it, rather than being on the balls of your feet. Ideally, we're looking to have it in the middle of our feet. And what we can do is we can maybe put you on body track as well, so that actually illustrates that. So yeah. So if you ever watch Matt Kuchar, if you ever watch him on his first part of his swing, he goes like this. He actually does come. You can actually see him literally go onto his heels and come through.
Interesting. Yeah. I get my weight forward, I feel like.
Yeah. So to help with that, just to get that feeling, what I want you to do is, with your 7-iron, I want you just to hit to the yellow flag, which is only about 110 yards. So I want you just to have a slower swing and get that feeling of your weight transfer on your heels. All right, still hitting it a bit too firm. Imagine you just want to, I want you to land it right next to the solid yellow flag.
Okay.
Okay, we're getting there. Now it's little right though. That's probably because of your club head is still a little bit closed, but your alignment, you just need to pull.
Close it and then face that way, right?
Yeah. So let's look to aim a little bit. That's it. That's perfect. You probably feel as if you're really left right now, but no, that is spot on.
Good line, so far.
Good line, a bit far, but that's fine. Let's do that again.